Welcome to Everything Soccer. This is Soccer Mania, coming to you from New York City, the capital city of the world. All we're gonna do is talk soccer all the time, wall-to-wall soccer, the best game in the world. Let's start with the great match yesterday as Sporting Kansas City beat the Costa Rican champions 3-1 in Kansas City. It was a great match as in the CONCACAF regions here in the Champions League. We got the four MLS teams on the verge of qualifying to the quarterfinals. DC United, Sporting Kansas City, Portland Timber, and the Montreal Impact. Now, let's go back to Tuesday. The US Open Cup. It was nowhere to be seen. Shameful. A match of that importance wasn't covered by any network station. TV stations, none. No broadcasting at all. Ridiculous. We're back to the 1960s again. No, this cannot be. For next season, the US Open Cup must be back on the air. It has to be back on the air, I tell you. How about CBS, the first network in America to transmit the first professional soccer league in the late 60s? Why don't they get on the wagon like ABC, NBC, and Fox, and come with us and preach soccer to the United States, the best game in the world. What baseball, what football, soccer's number one. It was a great match in Philadelphia as the Seattle Sounders beat the Philadelphia Union 3-1 in overtime as Dempsey gave the fourth US Open Cup in 6 years to the Seattle Sounders. Now, let's go back when it was all good. The best player I ever seen was not Maradona, not Messi, the best Argentine player, but Omar Seymour with the Vecchia Signora, with Juventus. You should have seen this guy. He grabs the ball from the byline, comes in, jumps 3, 4, 5 players, comes to the middle, puts it in the net. He was the first person to invent the MVP in Europe. He gets the ball and do the whole thing over again, to the amazement of the referees and the goalkeeper. Omar Seymour. You guys have a chance? Go on YouTube and load them down and see the great Omar Seymour. Better than Messi, better than Maradona, no better than Pelé. Okay, let's in this series we will cover the Serie A. We will also cover the Premier League. We also will cover the Bundesliga, the Germania, and the Premier Liga España, and many others, and many stories that's happening. Let's talk about MLS. MLS is getting much interesting here at the closing stages. We are on week 28 with still 6 teams in the East with a chance of making the playoffs. Who will be the team to win it all? I predict the Red Bull will do it this year with Henry still good. Unbelievable. The former Arsenal player at 37, he's still the best in North America. So, for today, the Crazy Soccer Mania